call me Solomon. Get the job done for my brothers like Morrison, the rap Van Morrison. I am Johnny Rotten with my feet upon the ottoman. I am in my zone, Johnny Bones in the octagon. Whole show in Oregon, hopping at the van like a soccer mum. Make your squad scarper, spud my barber, bud in my parker, drunk off the carver. I shoot a cop like Tupac, Thule in the shoebox, howling off the moon rock. Dr. Fauci with the flu shot, pull up with the roof off, smoking like Snoop Dogg. Right. It's Jimmy White from the snooker hall. This is halftime, live at the Super Bowl. I find a loophole, I break the bread, put the soup in the bowl. I'm beating you to a pulp. Pour the schooner, cloth talk by the water cooler. Pop the cork, then I caught a tuna, the auto-tuner. Tell the bird she can blow my tuba. I'm on the houseboat, rolling Buddha, Conta Kente. My pen's doing the merengue. I know my roots, give me the loot. You're off the team, kid, I give you the boot. About to give this bitch the didgeridoo. Ooh. Money accruing, my steak still mooing. Patrick Ewing, stack pursuing, man saluting. Rasputin, my rap sound like a gas shooting. I fry the onion till it's translucent. I put the work in, I'm up the floor. I never drop the ball. You got popped on probable cause. I'm Bobby Moore at the hopping of the law. Wilding out in London like Hobbs and Shaw. I shimmy, yay at the showdown. Sugar Ray selling yay from the dope house. I'm in the big body Benz getting smoked out. Tell you fuck yourself to put the phone down. I'm starting fights like Bruce Buffer. Do a number, smooth the hustler. The zoot's pucker. The spliff look like a cucumber. 2 2s a dude, newcomer.